If you are a content creator who gets hate comments anytime you post a video and you are not able to handle them, then this video is for you, because I'm going to be showing you 4 smart ways to shut them out using YouTube's own features and proven mindset tactics that truly works. So the issue here is most content creators respond to the hate comments directly. This gives the trolls more power. The better approach is to block them silently so their comments never get your audience. Talk less of your mind. So in this video, you are going to learn the exact YouTube settings that automate these 2 features, plus 2 overlooked tactics that protect your mental space as a content creator. If you are enjoying this video, I want you to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification icon so you can get notified anytime I drop a new video. Let's get into the video. So as far as you are a content creator who creates and posts content on the internet, whether it's tech, lifestyle, business, or entertainment, you will eventually encounter people who post rude, hateful, or discouraging comments. So the first feature is that you have the ability as the channel host to hide any user from your channel. Now, right on YouTube, you have a powerful tool that many content creators ignore. It allows you to hide any user from your channel without them even knowing about it. How cool is that? So the next time someone is trolling you or someone is sending some hate comments here and there, you have the power to hide those comments and they will not even know about it. They are the only ones going to be seeing the comment, but the comments will not be shown to the public. Let me show you how this works. Go to the comment section and look for the particular comment you want to remove or hide. Tap or click the 3 dots menu to the right of the comment. Select hide user from channel. Once you do this, only the troll can see their comment. No one else can. They can type for as long as they want and it will never reach your community or your audience. This protects your channel from visible hate and prevents other viewers from being influenced by negative voices. So the second powerful feature is the blocked words list. This particular tool lets you stop hate automatically using certain keywords that you are going to set. So what happens here is that you are going to set certain keywords such that anytime someone uses those words in your comment section, YouTube is going to send that particular comment to the held for review section, so it never goes public. And here's why this particular feature is very effective and very important. This feature filters insults and offensive keywords instantly. It also blocks spam phrases like sub for sub or subscribe to my channel. And even if you want, you can review flagged comments later if you choose to. Now, to activate this feature, go to YouTube Studio and click Settings. Select Community and add words or phrases you want blocked. This allows you to reduce hate and spam at a scale without manual intervention every time. Beyond the platform settings, you also need a behavior rule as a content creator. If you respond to hate comments emotionally all the time or even kindly, you are showing the trolls that their tactics works. When you argue with them or retaliate or even try to emotionally convert them, you are just giving them the attention they always wanted. That teaches them that, oh, if I attack a creator, I get a response, and they continue to do that. So just focus on what you are doing and just decide to pay a blind eye to the hate comments and keep creating. The next thing is to change your perspective. Now, here is a mindset shift that protects your mental space. Hate comments are not really about you. They are usually about the person writing them. Their negativity is often a cry of attention, validation, or frustration. So just don't give it attention. Just keep creating and keep doing your thing. So this should be your takeaway. You really don't need to carry negativity in your mind when YouTube already gives you a tool that removes it at the platform level. Keep your mental energy for your creativity. That is your real competitive advantage. If you want to see more YouTube tips like this, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get notified anytime I post a video. I'll see you in the next one.